So much fun smashing an entire paper collection. Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and over the next couple of weeks I'm going to show you what I made using the Doodlebug So Much Fun paper collection. Here is a sampling of what we have. And I'm just going to do a really quick preview. So first off, I made a mini album using these binder rings. So look for that video coming up. And then I made something similar, but a little different, same size album. So that will be coming up. This is next. I made this. So this is what I call a hanging mini album that I'll show you how to make. So this was using yet more of the paper from that same collection. I used a smaller profile mini album. I used some paper that wasn't exactly from the same collection, but I had it in my stash. I don't know, can you tell? I mean, it's got pink in it where the other ones don't. So different kind of binding system. So that is a video coming up. I made some tag mini albums and I show you the process of doing that. Those were fun to do. And then finally, using the rest of my stash, I made this little mini album. So I have tutorials, I have process videos, I have project shares, I have a lot of that coming up. So I'm just giving you a preview. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see everything I made using the Doodlebug So Much Fun collection. That's what I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching and have a fabulous day.